A single sneeze rockets out at 100 miles per hour, creating a tiny storm that can stretch up to 26 feet, turning the air into a chaotic dance of invisible droplets. Imagine this whirlwind of microscopic particles, each carrying the potential to spread far and wide. In just seconds, what starts as a mere tickle in the nose becomes a high-speed spectacle, a stark reminder of the unseen power held in a single breath. As these droplets disperse, they paint an invisible map of their journey, highlighting the astonishing reach of our most basic human reflex. This rapid-fire cascade of biology and physics serves as a vivid illustration of how quickly and widely our presence can impact the world around us.